Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the Rockstar Games SDK issue. Of course, the easiest solution is using a VPN. But if you don't have a VPN, there's another method that often works. First, find the folder where you installed GTA 5. If you don't have GTA 5, ask a friend for the GTA 5 redistributables. Here's the file. Open it, click Yes, choose your language and hit Continue. There, it'll install the Rockstar Games SDK for us. Click Next and install. After installation, you can use Rockstar Games. There, now it should work. Next, launch this launcher. And you can play. That's all. This was Weller. Bye everyone.